wonder who's gonna get some fidget trading in today. I'm still waiting at the trading tab. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Would you like to trade? I'm really rich. Are you? Oh, you're really rich too.
Yeah.
So I feel like this will be a good trade.
Yeah.
Okay, you can put one down first.
I'll put down this one.
That one. Is it a needle?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a needle. I'll put down this like. Oh, all my other squishies are stuck. I'll put down this like one.
Can I feel it?
Yeah, you can feel it. Oh, sorry.
That's really good.
Yeah. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Make sure nobody steals my fidget.
Okay. I love my squishies.
It's my time to shine. I need all my
I
squishies.
really love these.
I need all my squishies.
But what are you doing?
Next, have a good day.
Oh.
Have a good day. Ah!
That girl's gonna be.
Tony, I got some. Tony. Okay. Where's all my squishies? I watched them.
Stole them.
What? I told you to watch them. I'm calling the trading tub police right now.
This random old lady took some.
I don't care. I told you to watch them, and now you're gonna be got told on. A ringing noise. I just have to find my calling app. Calling noises. That's what we call them. Sorry, you're gonna be in jail soon. Ringtone noises.
Oh no.
Let's see if they pick up. Oh, they did. Hey, this one girl steals all my fidgets. And they're all gone. Like, I don't even know what to do. I don't even know what to do. Now I'm broke. You need to help me. Like, for real. I'm broke now. Somebody stealed all my fidgets. You're not going to help me? But you're literally the trading police. Ugh. Why aren't you going to help me? Huh? Fine, okay. I have to find someone else then.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. No one's gonna steal my fidgets.
My second time to shine. Tony, I got some more.
Where's my fidgets?
Where are they?
No. Someone stole them again.
I need it. You're broken now. Because you stole all of mine.
I didn't. Tony
Yes, you did.
stole them.
Then tell me where mine is.
I don't know. Wait, I see a bag.
I do too. My fidgets. Check in my bag. Check.
There's lots of fidgets. My favorite one.
That's mine. My name is Tony. It has it on the bottom.
But my name was on there just a second ago.
Let's go back to the trading table. Come on.